Good morning, Uganda! We're ready to head out on yet another day. Today we should be able to see Mount Stanley on the Congo border, and we will cross the equator before reaching the Queen Elizabeth National Park. So we're excited. Ready to leave our lodge. Heading out again for another great day in Uganda. Hey MotoDreamers, and welcome back to the second episode of our Uganda ride. This was the fourth day out of 10, and today we rode about 200 kilometers from the Kampala forest across the Savannah to the Queen Elizabeth National Park. But this was just the beginning. Nice. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Everybody on each their little bike. Let's go! We took a break in the riding in a town called Fort Portal, and we jumped on the back of some Mburo bikes with some local guys to see the marketplace and the other sites in the city. And we just left the big bike at a gas station while we were out having fun. Good. Not bad, huh? Very good. This day we had a lot to explore. We left the big bikes at the hotel and got a hold of some small scooters to take us into the savannah to look for the wildlife. It was much easier to ride these little bikes, and everybody could handle them real well in the terrain. In the afternoon we went on a boat trip to find some hippos and some crocodiles. Just as we arrived at the savannah, it started raining like crazy, so we decided to return the scooters and head out on some safari four-wheel drive trucks instead. But we got soaked anyway. It's not that common that it rains around the savannah, but I guess we were lucky to see it during the rain. We saw so many animals anyway. Look at this huge hippo we saw chilling in a puddle, and there was also a family of elephants. Watch out! He's gonna go see the hippos. Hello. Hello.
But it's old. No way. They're just when a lion is old, man. 5 years. Then the male goes to the break out balls. A male play like 3 years.
The boat trip was amazing. We explored the Kisinga channel and got to see many of the local birds. We were pretty tired from getting up that early in the morning, so several of us took a nap on the boat. This day we had a fairly long drive, about 350 kilometers, to go see the famous silverback mountain gorillas. The town was called Kisoro town, and we had to take a ferry early in the morning, but the drive there was so pretty going across the mountains, and it actually got quite chilly on the top because of the altitude. On our way, one of the riders had an unfortunate solo accident and crushed his thumb between the barrier and the bike. So we had to go back and find a bush hospital, but unfortunately they weren't really prepared as they had no electricity to run their x-ray machine. Instead, we got a helicopter to take him back to Kampala for surgery, and from there he went back to the US for another surgery. Unfortunately, these things happen on tours, but the lucky thing is we had a great insurance company to help us out.
My name is Esther. I'm the orthopedic officer in Chitagata Hospital. I've received this patient, Green Charles Keith. He has gotten an accident, and his thumb, the left thumb, has been crushed badly, and he needs urgent attention. Right now, we cannot do much. I've tried to do some washing of the wound and bandage it, dressing done, but he needs much more better services in another facility, because even the x-ray we cannot do it. We have no power right now. The x-ray is not working.
Day 6 was a lot of riding and time spent at the hospital, but we were able to reach our final destination, the mountain gorillas. On day 7 we will go to the gorilla forest and we will visit the gorillas, see them walk right next to us about a meter away. So stay tuned for the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see the adventures about riding around the world. See you in the next one.